Hey friends, welcome back to another cleaning video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing some super realistic and relatable cleaning motivation. I'll be sharing the tons of laundry that I have to do. I will also be cleaning the kitchen as always, focusing on the bathroom countertops as well as cleaning out that toilet. I will be basically doing anything that needs to be done on a daily basis. The hopes for this video is that you can come back to it every single day or multiple times a day and pretty much set a timer that you know when this video is going, that is your timer to go through the house and tidy up. So as I mentioned, I want you to be able to come back to this video whenever you need it and know that these are your little increments of time to just go through the house and clean whatever needs to be done. On a daily basis, I am always cleaning the kitchen and basically doing laundry. Things like wiping the baseboards or wiping down the walls, as you see that I will do, are things that just kind of catch my eye and I try to take care of it. If you don't have a ton of time to set aside for hours upon hours of cleaning, it's really important that you just do what you can do when you see it. On this particular day, I had gotten a glider for the new baby on the way, and so I wanted to put that into the house, but I see that there are some marks on the wall, so I'm going to take care of this.
Everything that happened last night, so just come back to bed. I wanna hold you, come back to bed.
I'm putting some groceries away as well. We have been having our shipped orders come in, and so I'm going to tackle this. I'm also in a future video going to show you guys how I strip my clothes. That means just getting any of the old dirt and residue out of the clothes. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a video on that. I got everything I need to do that.
You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound
So I'm going to start tackling the laundry. If you do one load a day, I'm telling you, it will keep the laundry from piling up. You'll even have the opportunity to do things that you need as is. You know, if something gets messy, that is my biggest tip for you guys. When I do one load a day, I'm telling you, it makes it go by so much quicker, and then that way we don't have piles laying around. I'm also going to take this opportunity to clean off the top of the washer and dryer. Our laundry room is right off of the garage, so this is where we come into from coming outside, and I do not like to walk into a super messy room. So while doing laundry and getting that started, I'm going to clean the top of this countertop as well.
good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head.
Now I'm going to move to the kitchen and unload the dishes. I like to usually do this in the morning, but I did not get a chance to do that. So I'm going to put everything away. I'm really excited because in my next video, you'll see the new dishwasher that we got. If you've been here for a while, you know this dishwasher is broken. It doesn't work well. It's not even level. It wiggles all over the place and it has a little rust in there. So when I was able to get a new dishwasher, I really felt like it was my birthday. So cannot wait to show you that in the next video. I'm going to wash some of the dishes that have piled up in the sink, and I'm going to fill up the dishwasher. Also, I'm going to do this now because I am going to be making dinner soon. I filmed this a little bit later. This is the moment I was going to do my quickie clean with me, just going through the house and taking care of things that need to get done. But I always have to clean my kitchen before I cook in it. Every time I do the dishes, I always give my sink a good scrubbing. I like to use the Dawn Power Wash. This is not an opportunity to deep clean. This is just getting the things done that need to be done. When you have these quickie clean with me's or speed cleans through the house, this isn't the time that you want to like get all of the big products out. You want to just take care of the things that need to get taken care of so your house looks put together. And that is why I wanted to create this video today for you to use as a timer. Just tackle the things that need to get done. Don't worry about all of the big things. Spend time on that another day. This is just an opportunity to come in and take care of the things that are right in front of your face so your house looks put together. More times than not, the bathrooms are always usually on the list, especially my bathroom. I'm going to spray down the sinks as well as the shower and the tub. I'm not going to scrub the shower because I like to let it sit on there, and usually when my husband comes home or I take a shower in the evening, we will just use the little brush that we have sitting on the side of the tub and scrub anything that needs to be done. I'm using the Method tile and tub spray, or the foam, and I love it. I'm also going to use a Clorox wipe because it is super fast and super duper efficient, and wipe down the toilet. Another little tip is keep your specific items for that area in that area. So in each bathroom, I have a container of the Clorox wipes. I have its own shower and tub foam or spray or whatever type of cleaner, personal counter cleaner for that room, and I also have a toilet brush or toilet wand that I use in each bathroom. That way, when I am ready to go through the house and clean very quickly, then everything is right there and I don't have to take things with me to each room. So now I'm going to use one of my microfiber cloths. I got a 10-pack from Marshall's. I believe it was for $9.99. My favorite color. I've showed these in previous videos. I have a ton of them, and I'm going to wipe down the sink and the countertop with the spray that I had already let sit on there for a little while I was doing the rest of the room. I hope you guys are enjoying this music. I wanted to make it pretty upbeat, so if you are in fact using this to clean, that it keeps you really motivated and energized. So if you take this opportunity every single day, whenever you can, and just wipe down the countertops like you see that I did, clean out the toilet, and just take care of the things that are right in front of your face. You do that every single day, your house will basically stay pretty tidy. If you have kids, and a lot of kids like I do, I mean, there's only so much we can do, and that is okay. But if you just see something, you pick it up and you do what needs to be done, then you won't have to spend so many hours on the weekend or in the evening trying to clean up and do like an extreme deep clean. So I'm just taking care of anything that I see, and it will help me personally feel less anxious because I don't like my house really messy. And then the days where I'm going to really designate time to clean, I won't have to do quite as much.
Rest of the night, but I won't do it. No way I'm saying so. I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give it.
Another thing I wanted to add is playing this video every time you need to clean will make you feel like you have a friend cleaning with you, because we're literally going to be cleaning together. And then if you guys want to know any of the songs that I use, if you want to make a playlist or something, please let me know. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video because I wanted it to be like a timer for you just to do a quick clean through the house, but I am going to have a playlist in my description box. So if you want to really get into it and clean for more than just the time you see here, I will have videos there to kind of assist you in that. So there's a lot of upbeat music, and you'll feel like you have someone to clean with you.
You won't believe who he's calling that to. You don't deserve what he's putting you through. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. Promise you'll end it the second you can. Promise I'll be here to hold you, my friend. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. He's seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to cry every tear you got inside. And baby,
So I had noticed this area was super dusty, so I'm going to use my e-cloth duster cloth and I'm going to wipe everything down. I did spray a little bit of Pledge. I like the smell of it, and it kind of traps that dust from flying back in the air. If you have allergies, I highly recommend you do that. That way you're not sneezing and feeling like your allergies are going crazy every time you are cleaning. So I'm going to start vacuuming the house out. This is something that needs to be done every single day, but let's just be very honest. It doesn't get done every single day. I wish it did. I'm a real life mom. I have a lot of kids. I've got a lot of things. I have a business I'm trying to run, also expecting another baby. And I would love to say that I do these things every single day, but I don't. That's why you see me tackle like wiping the wall down or the bathroom counter and the doors, because that's what I saw today and I tackled it. You don't have to feel like you have a super rigid schedule. We are real people and real things come up, and we don't always have a ton of time. But if you just allot a little bit of time, you get this music going, and you know, I'm just going to do a swift clean throughout the house. You can get the kids involved, turn a timer on, make it a game, and I'm telling you, they will think it's really fun because they're doing something with you. You'll feel like it's really fun because you're getting your blood pumping and your heart going, and it really makes you feel so accomplished. More times than not, you will usually do more than you expected to do. That's why I'm going to have a playlist in my description box. This video will be a part of that playlist. You start this video in the playlist, and then if you're in that playlist on my channel, then it'll go to the very next video. So you will have unlimited cleaning motivation to get done the things you need to get done. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you want me to continue to do, do these short little videos so we can get done the things that need to get done. I love you all so much. If you guys want to see my pregnancy announcement, I will have that at the end of this video. Click on our family vlog and it'll be the first video there. I am so excited to share all the pregnancy stuff with you and my soon pregnancy clean with me's. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here. Just remember, you are amazing, and I'll see you in the next one.